Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to launch new template for the contractors, architects and builders and renovation business. See, this template name is Buildora. Okay, you can see live here. See the home page, hero section, experiences, about us, and what we do. Here is the 4 category. Our projects. You can add your images and work. Here is the CTA button, call to action. Why Buildora? Like you can add your name here. Here is the features of your work. Outcomes you can measure. And testimonial, what our clients say. And this is a footer area. This is the last CTA button, CTA section, and the footer area you can see companies, services, and contact us form and short description about your website. Now you can go for the about us page. See here about us page, our stories, images, your experiences, your mission and your vision you can add here. You can easily edit because it is built on the GeneratePress using GenerateBlocks. Here your values you can increase or decrease by deleting the one. Here is your team. You can make more or less according to your requirement and the number of the team member. Here is your journey. And now the next, your services. You can see I have designed all the pages like construction services. See all the details about construction. You can add more if you have architectural design page, engineering, and the last renovation. Like you can add more pages according to your requirement and your project for the portfolio. You can add more in the here is the section for commercial. You can add your commercial project, here residential project and industrial and renovation project, right? See here is the quick link. Click and go to the section, respective section, right? Residential and go to the residential, industrial go to the residential, right? And now blog section. You can see there are 6 pages post I have listed there. You can open each and each page are designed by me using GeneratePress and GenerateBlocks. See hero section, categories and contact and feature image. Here is the archive page. See the archive page also designed. See other archive like renovation. See renovation page. And now contact us. See you can edit these details, call us, email, address and response time. Here is the contact form. You can add all this requirement, you can edit by yourself according to your requirement. Now you can see how many pages are designed in this template. See 404 page also designed. There is no search result page also designed. Search results also designed. Contact page, single blog post, archive, Buildora, projects, renovation, all pages are designed for this template. See 404 page, oops, that page can't be found. You can search for more or back to home or latest guides. See now we are going to design new website. You can see here is the demo website. I am going to show how to import. When you buy it from here, you will get a file. I will show you the file, Buildora file. See, Buildora template, and there are Buildora templates, documents and GeneratePress setting. Just to import, and your website is ready within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's ready to build our next website demo. See, it is totally blank. Now I am going to design according to documents. See, requirement: GeneratePress theme, GeneratePress premium, and GenerateBlocks and contact form 7. I already have activated GeneratePress theme now and login. See, I have already installed contact form, GenerateBlocks and Generate Premium. Now I am going to show next step. Next step, GeneratePress theme setting. Active all modules. Go to the GeneratePress. See, all the modules you need to activate it. Just see, all activated. Now next step. And you need to import GeneratePress setting. GeneratePress setting in the Buildora template. Here is the GeneratePress setting. You will get in the Buildora template. Just import it. Okay, see, imported. Now next step, go to the tools and import GeneratePress template. Okay, see, tools, import, run importer, and choose Buildora templates. Okay, and choose this option, both option and the user, or you can create new users. Select and submit. It is done. Now for the 4 menus, you need to go menus and select primary and off Canva, and then save. Go to menu and make it primary and off Canva and save. Now it is done. Next step, go to the setting, reading, and the select static page. Setting, reading, and statics, home, select to home, post page blog, and select it. 6 or 9 you can select, so it will be 3 row and 3 column, or 3 row 3 column or 2 row, and save. It is done. See, 6th step, open each element, appearance and element. If there are any attempt recovery, click it and save the element. Note, it is one-time process because it is not detecting a new site data. So you need to detect each site. So click each and every element and check if there are any attempt recovery or not. See, attempt recovery and all are taking new data. See, and save it. Done. Next, all CSS, there are no any attempt recovery. Leave it, and there is attempt recovery. Add attempt recovery, and save. And it is done. Next block, click on the block and check if there are any attempt recovery or not. Attempt recovery attempt recovery, and done. Next footer. Here is the attempt recovery, attempt, and done. Next header merge. I think there is no attempt recovery. Layout, there is no attempt recovery. No search result. Check if it is there. Yes. Attempt recovery and done. Next page title. Attempt recovery. No attempt recovery. Post hero. Attempt recovery. Done. Post layout. No attempt recovery. Leave it. Search module. No attempt recovery. Search result. One attempt recovery here, and it is all now done. Attempt recovery, and done. You can see we choose all attempt recovery and done. Now refresh it and see it is done. Our demo website. So now you have to add your logo. You can add it from here. See, click here and choose your logo if there is any logo. Let me check here. I have the older. You can add your own. I just adding my previous logo, and you can see it is done. Okay. Good. Okay. So our new website is ready within 10 minutes. Okay. If you want to buy it, you can buy from here. I will share the link of my website where you can buy this template. You can see here the Buildora template. You can click and buy it from here. $120 because it has some more page to design. Just why I have put $120, and you can buy it from here. You can also check live preview from here, and your documentation here. It will guide on the YouTube, or you will also get documentation here. Okay, thank you.